Hey everyone, it's Matthew here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common error in Windows when connecting to an L2TP VPN. And let's just bring that on the screen right now actually. So this is the first sentence of your error. The connection was prevented because of a policy configured on your RAS/VPN. This is happening basically boiled down because you have a different protocol for security that your computer is using than your VPN server. I'm running a L2TP server, VPN server, on my Edge Router 4 over there, and this just basically happens for some reason when Windows is configuring your VPN. So the way to fix this is to type in VPN or go to VPN Settings on your Windows search bar, and then when we see VPN Settings in here in Windows 10, this is for Windows 10 by the way. If you go to Windows 7, this is also applies to Windows 7, even though it's 2020. You should probably switch to Windows 10. First of all, I'm just going to actually add a VPN right now, and then this should be good to go. And if we test, we will indeed get that error message. Yes, we do. Okay, so the way to change this is to go into the top right, or if you're on Windows 7, go to your network adapters, and then we'll see your network adapters here. Right click on test for your VPN, go to properties, and we'll drag this over here, go to security, and then this is where you fix it right here. Allow these protocols, then make sure Microsoft Chat version 2 MS-Chat v2 is enabled, and then after we close all this and we'll try our connection again, we will indeed get a connection to our VPN. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a very short tutorial. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.